Hi, welcome to MarineMax Somers Point, New Jersey. I'm Mike Pagano, and today I'm going to take you through our brand new 2023 Sailfish 22 center console. Starting out here on the hull, you notice it has this really beautiful ice blue gel coat color. This is actually one of my favorite colors that Sailfish makes. It's just really great. It's not too bright, not too dark. It's right in the middle there, and it seems to be a very popular color for most of our customers here. Starting here on the transom, this is powered by a 200 Yamaha outboard. You would notice back here too, it does have nice Bennett trim tabs, which you don't see a lot on smaller boats this size, but it really does a good job of balancing out the boat because it has a patented hull design, a variable degree stepped hull, so it really balances out quite nicely if you have a lot of people on the boat. We'll walk right up. On the transom, you notice it does have a stereo remote control back here, so if you're out of the boat in the water, maybe swimming with friends and family, you can control the stereo, volume, and stations all back here. There are 4 rod holders located on the back here, a live well, and then this boat is equipped with dual jump seats. Right now we just have the starboard side seat in just so we were able to board the boat, but there is a seat for both sides here. Up top here, you notice it has a very nice full hardtop with flush mounted speakers, and it does have spreader lights as well, aft spreader lights. Nice rocket launcher rod holders. Up here, you see that it has dual flip down and flip up bolsters, so your passenger and your captain can be independently comfortable when they're sitting. It has a tilt steering wheel, so you can adjust this depending on how you're sitting here at the helm. Nice 12-inch Garmin, as well as the Yamaha engine diagnostics, so you're not taking anything away from your valuable navigational screen there. You got the Fusion stereo remote here, and then underneath of it you have all your nice LED lighted switches, and then these are the Bennett trim tab controls right there. Over here, this boat has a very spacious head compartment. It has about 5'9" worth of headroom in there, and then it does have a freshwater sink as well. If you need to access anything at the helm for whatever reason, there is a panel back there for some access too. What you'll notice is up here in the bow, it's very spacious and deep, so if you're using this boat for something other than fishing, you can take out your family and friends, and this is a very comfortable spot for them up here with these flip-up backrests. You can be very comfortable. There's tons of cushions, and then there's a seat right in front of the helm as well. Up towards the front, you notice there's a compartment for your anchor, and then it has a pop-up navigational light up there too. Thank you for joining me on this tour of the 2023 Sailfish 22 center console. My name is Mike Pagano, and if you'd like to tour this boat or any of our other boats, feel free to give us a call at 609-926-0600. See you out on the water.